So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how you can move options in your Gmail. So guys, before starting this video I want to share you one thing, that if you are new in this video, then please hit the subscribe button and like in the video. Okay guys, so guys, here we go. At first you have to go in your Gmail, and after that if you have like this chart in your profile, so what you have to do, you have to just click it in some topics, and you have to click in the three bottoms the right side, and you can see this in the top, move to. So from here you have to get some these types of options, and you have to click where you want to move. Social, promote, update. So you can just click in anywhere where you want. So I will just click in promotions. So guys, this is how it happens to do. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video.